about GC news, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Kevin Taylor, KT, reacted to Godfred agent, a response or the my design a Japan table. Response of the man, like Kevin Taylor reacted at what in somebody. Now, see the good and similarly, Mrs. So we now subscribe to the channel now, Mrs. Over subscribe. Whatever I say over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. When it's a video for be ever upload, so what's ever can. I feel we are now like the video and give us a thumbs up. Now, feel what share my offer for so now when you be now warfare. I feel you bring and some. I go for Daniel here and run or they in some two guys. I know Jakpa people. Moya or the man say the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked, and that even though they have laid traps for me, I will flee from them. The righteous will always prevail. I mean, yeah, or the two central for him. I don't know. Can tell us, I say, Aquawipa. Owusu say a single bit piano, the record of bono and what old Granny Akoto Bible quotation, and I can tell her to be a man and Amawadi, a subdo and Alatia. Yemura ye Kevin Taylor in reaction the fire Godfred. Dame a attorney general the response I would mind as a for I will go to Bible into a Kevin a reaction into some Kevin.
Yeah, well, so we say Godfred today was questioned by the media about Asama Esinyina. For crying out loud, this is the Attorney General of Ghana. You have been caught on tape. An accused person is saying you were a criminal, you were a thief. You belong to the Ghana Bar Association. You have a family. You are appointed by the president. You lead Ghana as the Attorney General for crying out loud.
Hot news all time.
You get the glorious opportunity that international media, CNN, MSNBC, Al Jazeera, BBC, you have gotten the most glorious opportunity to let the world know you are not a thief. You have not gone against the ethics of the job you are doing. You are, in fact, a legitimate Attorney General who, at the end of the day, does not negotiate behind the scenes to falsely imprison people. You have gotten the biggest platform, opportunity. What did Godfred say when they asked him about the tape and the statement from Jakpa in court?
Refute the allegations and then set aside.
All I can say is that the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked. And that even though they laid traps for me, I will flee from them. The righteousness will go over evil. Thank you very much. I say that the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked. And that even though they laid traps for me, I will flee from them. The righteousness will go over evil. Thank you very much. I say that the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked. And that even though they laid traps for me, I will flee from them. The righteousness will go over evil. Thank you very much.
The Attorney General of the Republic of Ghana. So wunye evi anasa wunya kromfo asem say yesi ni ebusa say what do you have to say? Or say the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked, and that even though they lay traps for me, I will flee from them. The righteous will always prevail over evil. We are the most foolish country on earth. We are asking you, Jesus Christ. Are there journalists on TV defending this guy? What's the boy Jimmy Papa? We are asking you. An accused has said things like this and played audios about you. Do you have anything to say? He is telling the whole Ghana that this is what he has to say. And we get people in Ghana still saying Godfred should be the Attorney General. If it's about quotations, Anke Kofa suffer man be Attorney General. A dear corner religion, I Jimmy Sama ni pebi the religion Jimmy ye. If it was about quotations, and the Sanki here Godfred so be Attorney General. Because that quotation now who quote the devil himself, Satan, he used quotations to so defend himself. The devil, Satan himself, you have been caught pants down as a criminal. Prove to Ghana and tell Ghana for you say you are not a criminal. You are quoting the Bible. So because of this Bible quotation, no, we should all say you are not guilty. Abra bonsam ya enemy bonsam etumi quotation bonsam. I'm trying to find bonsam quotation.
Na hot news all time.
Se dia sane be ne dia and right now no Ghana no kwasie bia kodi bone a na yamane quotation no ko. But you know something, let me show you why the Attorney General decided to quote the Bible. Let me show you why the Attorney General decided to quote the Bible and stayed away from the issues. Because, you know, any answer he gives can be used against him in court. And because he knows he's guilty, he stayed away from the subject. And in court, you know, he refused to even do what cross-examine the third accused. That is why when Jakpa raised the issue, he refrained from saying, because you know something, Attorney General didn't say he's guilty and he's a criminal. So the only thing he can do now is that Jakpa has enough evidence. Now, question Ebusa, I don't know. You've heard about the audio and all that what Jakpa said in court. What do you say to that? He could have said, all that you have heard is a lie. So Attorney General, he could have just said, all that you have said is a lie. But he knows that when he goes out there to tell Ghana for say all that Jakpa is saying and all the things you have said of seen is a lie, no, he knows Jakpa has more, and that statement can be used against him in court. He can be questioned by Jakpa's lawyers to say, Attorney General, you said the question that was posed to you was that the audio and the text messages, did it come from you? You said that it was a lie. So now, under oath, these evidence before you, can you prove that it wasn't you? So because you know he's guilty, that is why he played that trick. If the Attorney General wasn't guilty, he would have answered the question that everything that you've seen in the system, head, I can tell you as the Attorney General of Ghana, with the record and the track record I have, I understand the ethics of my job, the boundaries, and where and what I need to do. Whatever you have heard, whatever tape has been played, whatever text message you have read, it is a lie. You walk. But the Attorney General, who is the Minister for Justice, is scared to say whether it's a lie or not. So as foolish as we are and as stupid as Ghanaians are, he quotes the Bible and walks and limps away. He quotes the Bible and limps away. All because Jimmy, some people will use that to protect a criminal. But do you think if the Attorney General had a tape on somebody and that person made a statement using the Bible and a quotation from the Bible, what do you think the Attorney General would say? Attorney General would say, we are doing law here. We are trying to make sure the law is applied. Whatever you know in the Bible does not, at the end of the day, change the laws. Attorney General does not want to be caught. And he knows he has been caught. He's a thief. He's a disgraced, limping Attorney General. Judge Sewa Yene Ghana for Yene Yajuni Ejuma. Yene Tuaoka. The power of the people. The power of the people is dangerous. And I know you know more than I know. As somewhere down, it can break this country, this matter. Sa asemwe na yehunisano. It can destroy the democracy of this nation. Our governance structure, this ruling, this bending of the law by the Attorney General, and we behaving as if, say, as ostriches. We don't know what is happening. This, And you see, sometimes, Adiebesi, in a country where democracy has been trampled upon, and people are using it as a weapon against its citizens. Baby, I any was say a betija and tija o. Baby, I need say betija and what a betija. And the money dangerous. Baby, I again say a betuma tija amanto kwesi amakruna seno. A honen tija o. Dia won't expect to say ebema krona tijano. And these are some of the things a bit must say Ghana. Our governance system, it can destroy our democracy. I'm telling you.
Say ya me no ka say. Secréts. Ewo account me ensa. Ni na call red. Me pese me bo bank krudi na anhwa wo beka so nko se bi ho. Secréts. Bibini e ni. Our account bebre. Bibini ansa na. Secréts MD na okoye na nsen yan no. Okoye ndi bosumi mienu anamwa. Okay. Now kasa account ne me ensani na boma sika wo ye 3.4
Wait.
men can't say dollar and I mean can't say cedis they know na Senate will scapa 3.4 billion me yen cedis amount within the last
Captain Smart
27 days account me ensani na correct
na scan way
omodi scan na asa
Modi. Wait. Bibini ow.
The last 27 days. Senate account correct. It is Senate say only sika obetimi kura de atua retirement benefit. Inti hotels na won na so dent na mabeka ya. Me think me twen kakra. Enti de enti Senate to hotel ne say. Sika ye nananom ne ye papa dom ne ye wofadom ne ko okọ retirement asese ye de ma no no ebi ni want to say ho Senate and ton hotels na ontimi ntua. What happened to the 3.7 billion? Omadi.
Bibini and Pao. Bibini ow. The Bibini Grabedo.
Omadi scarina.
As a magret.
You see, and yet it was about say a tonium na yesre efe. Ye mu galamsey at the poison we ensum ye no mu.
Wait.
Yedum kania ensum Ghana yedum kania bibia na ba stand still.
Yeah.
Banks nya djuma bibia nya djuma saba je wo koto plant. Yedum kania na bibia say. Enti dent na Ghana yemfa ye nin ko ho say ye kania sem ye biggest problem na ye solve it. Ah, oh, got corruption. Say corruption. You from corruption. Be any form. Me person me catch your plane in ne. Unya president na or that. Am I a chin minister, cabinet minister, or damn a chi DC president, or damn a chi CEO be. Edward Mutum says yes, is you Japan a former bedroom.
As someone here now,
somebody. As I say, I'm no castle TVC. Kwa police station na how many China for a good sell and negotiate. IGP, regional police commander, go to Axim. You see, you do baby, I ain't can no mining ye.
That's it.
China near or no, or ye illegal mining. You didn't negotiate to Axim. Really? Wow! Immigration will Axim. I don't know done China for my immigration for one for them go through Takrade through to Accra for deportation. China ni no more than your forest for maybe Axim police for any Axim MCE. No wonder. Henry William Baby.
Wait.
Yeah.
President Nipo Boni din so nkoye DC Waxim or Tom galamsey equipment.
When Jesus Christ. Oton galamsey equipment.
So we try and find out the galamsey ni say on
DC, you know.
Yeah, in the shop. Now koto spare parts.
As someone here now, someone here.
And there's a crony galamsey town.
I mean, yeah.
But Captain is serious.
Ena much China for immigration for Waxim. And today I'm more handle more over my immigration for no. Because we are foreign nationals.
Yes.
Hand them over to Ghana Immigration Service. Forward transport to Takrade. To Accra. Straight up deportation. Now, what do you go Axim police station? What more new negotiate?
Wait. Bibini. Ow.
They will demand 300,000 Ghana cedis.
3 billion.
Yeah.
It's greater than 3 billion.
300,000.
Hey.
I mean, Ghana, why? Since when are policy for and the holding foreign criminals?
Wait.
Yes, Chino, we agree. Hand them over to immigration service. You want immigration for here? One more sell or how? What the sort office be one more sell? Nipa 6 amokwachi ye moja back. 5 na kan dey from dagum. Ah. Dentina 5 no da gumu axim police station ho sesi ya. I am talking to IGP. I am talking about Axim police station.
Omajiska.
Omoche 6 bakund ye jana.
No ma charge 300.
Bako 2 pickup. Wasama na payloader Akofa na excavator oko. Aka 5 egu sell ho.
Wait. Le.
Nti on my ben ye na sa no.
Very bad.
On my ben ye na say.
Very bad.
Ah well, Henry, can you ever can you
Who I mean, come on, my basa. Just say, when I come to think of it, say eti nana duna na nkofo hu say. I mean, the aura around him, as at 2016-17, Papa we kasa. And the one with the Oman Simon, just right now, you be a phone say, and conform fresh say, you like to do me. Look at the whole country, all over. It's not on my phone, it's on Captain Smith's phone. And very sad. Very, very sad. But, Captain, you are doing a fantastic job. Na, say Juma we no. They say so. Almost actually be man.
They say 39 in 2 years.
39
in 2 years. Me try the next section.
Ya chuma kwa 39
in 2 years.
Hey.
Auntie me auntie am omabre o.
Omabre. 39
in 2 years. The chimisa me fi kuma say basa. Me do se bunsu den.
You know,
me na moto. Police for moto me yo manim say fiu na pick up biaba. Eh na me grigri me.
Le.
Yeah, Timmy.
So why are they?
Merci from
Fellow Ghanaians.
I can't hear my name. Are you Captain Smart? Them say, don't you know me? You know me. You know I'm Captain Smart. So why are you asking me? Are you Captain Smart? And I'm saying, then I see you under arrest. Arrest for what crime?
Someone here now.
I see you under arrest.
And no Monsieur Abusu.
Yeah, we've been asked to bring you. I'm so moody, but me Dija. James said no to chasing me.
And no Bechi Ghana for you.
You know one. Yeah, trap police station where trap police station where you do continue baby. Tra, you tell that obo him kakrawa baby. By anima fine. Closer to Accra. Ana moto ne weni mu najina. Gojina pick up from Kasaya. Okay, we have been told that we can let you go and then Monday, which is tomorrow, report to the NIB office. And I'm saying, dear mama, me dear mochi, some watch me. What do me share convoy him? Wabra me minister.
It was a convoy. Actually, I do.
Sir, I deal with you. Hey, Captain, why are you asking that? Do you want to shoot me? You have a gun, I've seen it. You want to shoot me? Shoot me. No, I haven't said I'm going to shoot you. I could buy a one no say record it. I'm say me record it, but me madri na chain recorder.
Jáil. I can't hear. As man make
sick people.
For winning and some of your TT added to the Wobro and some so a Godfred Damahus and some Obaye I Sadono and the Bible quotation and I will go to another cabin. Aremeyaw Anas in some way. The cows just so an hour here on so we now subscribe. Yeah, Mr. Say over subscribe and I like it. Now watch your video. Also bet me actually watching Afriyie and some way now will comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.